Ru stands for darkness. Ru is the removal of that, nivartakaha, the one who removes that darkness of our pure nature, meaning that our true consciousness, our beingness, our ultimate essence of who we are. That darkness, the person who helps remove that or brings us towards closer towards removal of that. Such a person can be called a guru. That one guru is divided in three ways. One is as the Īśvara, which is at Saguna Brahma. So that we all know this from our Patanjali Yoga Sutras too, right? So Īśvara Pranidhanadva, that shloka comes that how do you get realization? He gives all those methods, Ashtanga and all that, Samadhis and all that. Or Ishvara Pranidhana, you take refuge in the Lord. You surrender to that Lord. Why? Because that Lord is the first Guru. The second is that personal Guru, that Guru whom we are connected with, or we can say the Gurus whom we are connected with, the Guru and the Guru lineage, or whatever Gurus, whoever is a teacher in our life, who is a guiding. But in this context, there are two kinds of teachers. One is a teacher who is giving us different teachings or is preparing us, is giving that ground. But the second kind of teacher is this teacher of Brahma Vidya, who gives us that highest realization, that truth, that teachings of that supreme reality. Ishvaro Guru Ratmiti. Atma here is that self which is awakened, that self which is pure, that self which is always pure. Shuddha Nitya Shuddha Mukta Buddha. It is eternal, pure, ever liberated, and ever wise, ever realized. When that person's intellect is purified, then that person doesn't need to look anywhere outward. He doesn't need an outward form of guru. Why? Because that guru is within oneself, one's own inner being or one's own self becomes that guiding force, not just as a guiding in the life, in the vyavahara, in our daily life situations, our actual life situations. What should I do in a particular situation? Whom should I approach? Where should I go? Even that level of detailed jnana or clarity one starts having in one's life.